Good evening. Welcome to our next tutorial. Today we'll concentrate on how to develop, save, compile and execute a Java program. So while developing a Java program, there are multiple steps involved in that. So those we can see here. So first step for this is develop a program. Develop program is nothing but we can write the program using Notepad, WordPad, VI editor. So we'll use some tools, or else we can use some IDEs also, that is Eclipse and all also you can use. That we can see that we can in future classes we concentrate on those one by one. This is next. Once you write the writing of program as completed, then you can save that program with extension of .java. This is must. Without that you could not. Without that it does not considered as a Java. So must and should you can save that with extension of this. Then you can compile the Java program using the command of javac. Then after, so execute the program with JVM. After that, final step should be the output we can see in a command. This is how you are developing and executing the program using command prompt. So that we can see here clearly, we can check this. So first of all, we'll write one sample program. So here just I am creating one class called as a first program. So in this first program, just I am writing one main class, that is public static void main. Here string args. Yesterday already in the last tutorial we already seen about this, each and every word, what is meaning of what. Then here just I'm writing this here. Better how we can write means, see, whenever you created any this, immediately you can close this close brace, and after that you can write whatever the code you are writing, that you can write here. So here I'm writing this public static void main. For this again it's a starting tag and ending tag. So must and should it contains starting and ending tag. Within this, here I'm writing this system dot out dot print ln. So here I'm writing this welcome. This is my message. You can write anything. Welcome to Andro Indian Tutorials. Just I'm writing this Andro Indian Tutorials. Just I'm writing that something. The end of the statement, it's a semicolon. So your program is ready. Just a very basic program is ready. Now I want to save this. So I'm saving this program in a desktop. I have one separate folder for Java. See, right now that folder as empty. So right now in this I'm saving this program name called as a first program. First program, I'm saving that as a first program dot extension of Java. See, now here it has saved as a first program dot. Now here the first step as completed, where we see in this just now steps save. Up to these two steps are complete, remaining three steps are pending. Now I want to compile this program. If you want to compile this, first you need command prompt. You can open this command prompt. See, once I open the command prompt, this is a default, it should goes always, it's a users, but I don't want this. First I need to change this as a directory where we have our program. Our program is in a desktop, so I'll change dir desktop. First I am changing my system to the desktop. So cd space desktop, I am changing that to desktop. Now we are in a desktop. Again in a desktop I have folder name called as a Java. So right now we are in this folder, that is desktop. Now here I want to compile this. So here Java C, what is my program name? First program dot Java. See, it's executed successfully, means there is no error. Just will change something here, then we'll execute again. Just I'm removing this phrase. Save. I saved already here, so I saved here, or you can save here like this. Then again I'm compiling this program. C Java C first program dot Java. See, one error. It shows one error, that is saying that could not end of this file. So it's saying this. So here again I'm putting this. I saved. Again I'm compiling this. Java C first program dot Java. See, now it's executed. It's compiled successfully. See, once it is compiled, here see one more I have created, that is a .class file. This contains machine code, bytecode. So this contains this. Now if you want, after this next step is here, this is compilation as completed, then execute. So when you are executing, you can execute with this name, not this name. If in case if you have something different name, you can write, you can execute with this name. So I'm executing with this Java. So what is that? First program dot, no need of this, just means we are executing here class C. Output is here, welcome to Android Indian. So this is the way we'll write and we'll execute and we'll get an output of this program. So we'll see a lot of other programs in future. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.